So remember, we're working on this equal disbursement of the flexion. Okay, so we're going to round it back and then bring the legs to tabletop. Now remember, you don't want to start here because then we're going to roll flat. Do you see how I kind of clumped down? Now, I want you to work through failure. It is better for you to be here. You're really working flexion and then you just don't make, oh, I made it up. Or I made it up and I went too far past. Tends to happen is we extend at the top. What happens when we extend at the top? Now we have to roll back through our spine in enough time that we can equally flex again. So it's better to try to stay in flexion through the lumbar. Now, does that mean that you're totally collapsed like this? No. Okay, so equal disbursement of flexion. So take an inhale, decide how tight you want this. Engage the abs, engage that diaphragm. Sit bones are pulling towards the heels. Lumbar is flexed as much as you possibly can. Pay attention to those joints that like to clump. Inhale and lift the sit bones. Exhale up. Better to fail than to arch. Okay? Fail backwards. Don't make it up. Better to fail in flexion than to continue with the flat tire syndrome. All right, here we go. We're going to inhale up, exhale back. Inhale, sit bones lift. And if you really keep your flexion, you're actually going to make it. You'll make it. It'll just be harder, and you'll probably feel a burn. So I'm still driving my sit bones towards my heels. I'm lifting my sit bones towards my heels and rounding. I'm just really focusing on keeping the equal tension of flexion. Use the breath. Exhale. All right. I hope that really helps your spine flexion for rolling. Really think about what's going on back there in all of those individual joints. Thanks for joining me and see you at the next class.